8 former members of the Khasi Autonomous District Council KHADC extended their gratitude to Chief Executive Member Pyniaid Syiem for his instrumental efforts in reinstating their pensions as directed by the High Court. Among them were Handle Mukhim from Sohryngkham, Sounderstrong Cajee from Mylliem, F. Marngar from Parïong, N Diengngan from Nongstoin, Phrang S. Warjri of Nongthymmai, Rynniaw of Mawshyrut, and Edar Nongbri from Nongkrem. According to Handle Mukhim, the Executive Committee introduced the pension bill in 2002, receiving approval from the then Meghalaya Governor M. Jacob in 2006. However, pension disbursements ceased after 2006, prompting legal action. The court subsequently directed the KHADC to reinstate pensions for the former council members.
Hakabi David Kaneka Jingyo by Bam Temen Jong di Parolok MDC di Pala Kibom Simlong MDC Sumata Hakajing Sisa Hakabi David Kaneka pension Ngilawan Ra ya Kaneka Bilna tu Snem Arhajar Arhajar Tenang tangi la yor ya ka asen na governor Nado Arhajar Nrew Tenrei Hadian bangilayo ya ka asen na governor ki parlok ki bayalam ya ka isi natu ka tukupor Arhajar Nrew habie dei bat kan ka jing bat kan ka pension ka jongi nim simyo ya ka di nakawi ka por sa kuwi ka por nakawi ka por sa kuwi ka por ngilaya sa istom kapoy ka por ka ba hadu upot ubangi hapan le sakut kene kalongka long pending court case kabalayo tenre haki tu kisnem imla ru klem da kan mau buram mo ye nong yalam baneng kong jongi kum ga kan huan jong ki parlok MBC man ka tu pon ngiran khat sanut parakai tenre we na ki nong yalam jongi ba ai ji lang khoi ila klat no arajar khat sao hapok ke jing yalam jongi dalam baka hukum jong ka supreme jong ka high court badan buram jong ka high court jongi ila yo ya ka jing tha ka discount sur ka yo ya ka jing tha na court badai ban sil mardor te nadu Arhajar khandai ila senang man yo ya ni pension nadu shitrik Januari jong ka senam Arhajar khandai.
The former MDC of Mylliem, Sounderstrong Cajee, lauded the High Court's intervention enabling all 8 MDCs to receive their entitled pensions. Cajee also commended Chief Executive Member Pyniaid Syiem for his relentless 2-month effort in securing pension payments for the retired council members.
I kabulay na kumenta ka executive committee kepala alam ko Pyniaid mar very short span ni kam le ben ni tang po arbana tam na yo igri ka pension bari ong ba mentoi ngan ai ti pension ni PTI mar san thojar men thojar ni wan kan usin pi bukli ki pension yo ngan le ti le bat ka ktien ti ka ben ro ka ong ba very soon kin sara ni po ka council session ba ti kan ka executive committee ka barem yang dia mengenai jinggalam jemaat kita setelah berpilih ini ka jing pension ke jung itu rei kadan ke jing ong ke yang jung Syiem ni ba mai ba kamdi ke besok kumnu bengiyo ya ke jing ya ka asen no governor la struggle it's a big fight na kalang jung ke MDC ban yo ya ke ni ka ban pensutu yo governor ba ini benyerap ini Teladap mentakan wan pa tahun nak tahu ba ngamtip reason best known to them bansi penduk no tinggi ru ngap pengkrai tapi penduk ya hak tinggi we have to go to the court ngimtan ko ka court ka court ka bayar ini ru menta lada mndi ka court ni namyo bala di bakalar kadang ka contempt of court is always there ta an ka ai mtan han ti por india jayu tinggi ru ngishane abe ka court but rementa pat sisen baka executive committee kani kalale we expect ba kande makam de ke benefit tang ke jongi ki MDC ko beta what kini ki MDC ki baile ro perskata ki bangili community bang ong tos in yadar kat ki ong tre bang daglang MLA menta de leram ki ong yadar compensation